In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your monitored carbon monoxide detector. You might need a step stool or ladder to reach the carbon monoxide detector and a flathead screwdriver. Please note, depending on the model, it may look different than the one used for demonstration in this video, and you will be replacing one or two batteries. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Locate the carbon monoxide detector with the low battery. To release the device from the mounting plate, hold the detector in the palm of your hand and gently twist the carbon monoxide detector in a counterclockwise motion, approximately a quarter turn. Your keypad may emit a beeping tone to indicate the carbon monoxide detector has been opened. Once the carbon monoxide detector is released, turn the device over and carefully remove the existing battery with your flathead screwdriver. Next, wait for 30 seconds and insert the new battery, paying attention to polarity. Ensure the positive plus end of the battery matches the positive plus symbol inside the carbon monoxide detector. Locate the connection ridge and replace the carbon monoxide detector back on the mounting plate. Turn the device in a clockwise motion until you hear a click. Test your carbon monoxide detector to ensure it is working properly. Press the test button for approximately 30 seconds or until the carbon monoxide detector beeps. Confirm the signal was received before having your system removed from test mode. For assistance, please call Guardian's Customer Service Department at 1-800-PROTECT or go to customercare.guardianprotection.com.